Oh, we're recording now. Sorry, I thought I was making a video already, and obviously not, so it's like halfway through game or kill confirmed. Basically what I'll be doing is uploading gameplays, throwing live kills, all the basic stuff that other people upload. So yeah, if you happen to enjoy any of them, please subscribe, like, rate and comment. And if you would like to be in any of my videos, my PSN name will be in the description. So just send me a message saying if you want to be in a video, and I will shortly reply to you. So, and some of you may know my friend, Jake Butler 1000. He is on YouTube as well. I'm not sure if you've heard of him, but still, if you have yet, subscribe to him. His YouTube name will be in the description and a link. I think I don't know how to do links, but yeah. Hope you enjoyed like half the gameplay. So I will see you later. Goodbye.